that slide your help in this,
Yes, yes, sure.
where I can open these. I can share my screen.
You
How
can share
where I can.
your screen by clicking on triple dots. Okay, why it is not showing in my, because you have shared the link. There is one option shows on the bottom, share present your
Yes,
screen.
there is an option. There is three dots, and when I clicked on that three dots, it's showing me whiteboard, change layout, full
On the right
screen
side, on the right side. Let me check
on the.
on my system.
Okay, okay.
One second, please. I'm
Manish,
opening.
which show present now?
Come again, sorry.
The option is showing present now if you hovering the mouse.
Let me
It's
check
similar
on
to
my new
Zoom or
meeting.
Go
Team.
to the fourth option from left. The fourth one from left.
Puja, so it was like very festive and very religious types.
Okay.
Right.
You always comes up with new ideas. Okay, over to Manish. I think now
Okay.
you are able to present.
So
Okay.
right. So first of all, I want to know from everyone that my screen is visible to you guys.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, we all can see.
Okay. So welcome to the SIS. It's fifth meeting of SIS, and today is 18th of July to 2021. So I welcome everyone on the behalf of SIS today. As a mode role I'm playing here. So we have some agendas for the SIS meeting every weekend. Every week we do this meeting on Sunday usually. So let me introduce that agenda once again. For what reason we are here all together. So quickly show you some and quickly give you some idea about it. So first of all, I will introduce with the things what we all gonna cover in this whole session. So it's like we introduce a meeting format in which we have some do's and don't. So apart from that, we have an introduction where each and every member has a role to play. So after that, each member has a participation and members detail is over here. After that, we have a nominations for the uh, role played by the people, and then there is a feedback for the newcomers, and we have a theme for each and every meeting. So SIS meeting actually divides into four parts. It's prepared speeches. First of all, we start with the freestyle conversation. Then it's prepared speeches. Then there is a table topics. I think we are not right now actually doing table topics, but yeah, there is table topic and formal evaluation. Usually in freestyle, we do things like each and every member has a time. Will get a time to speak about anything, any particular object, or about anything which she has in their mind. So after that, there is a session for prepared speeches. Each member have will given a so each member will schedule in advance every other meeting so he can be prepared and deliver a prepared speeches. So after that, there is a table topic. I think we are not right now actually doing this particular session thing. So there is a formal evaluation where we evaluate the overall session of the person and overall the evaluation of of member. There are some do's and don'ts which we need to follow while we are in this meeting. So everyone should be responsible, and if you are joining the session, only then you will be able to improve and with your active participation. Please give you a big round of applause of every icebreaker speaker to encourage and motivate him or for the SIS journey. Then there are certain levels which you will have to achieve without any disqualification. So there are some like you will have to perform at least for five speeches, one role play, one host, and then you will be qualified for the next level. So role play, keep pen and notebook so that you can write down the activities. So no need there are some don'ts which you need to be avoid. So like no Hindi words are allowed. Not talk about sex, religion, and politics. No absence allowed until unless it is very urgent. Please don't back out if any responsibility given to you, as it's the last moment. It's very difficult to find out a backup, right? So feedback shouldn't have a negative comments first of all, and please provide your feedbacks in a constructive way or in a positive manner. So today's we have some members who are not there for that their specific role, but still we have managed to like overcome or back up those shortcomings. So for today, I am handling the part of mode. After that, Anup, if Anup is available, I think Anup isn't available today, right? So he will be counter filler counter. Then there is Vivekanand, prepared speeches, icebreaker, you can say. Then Mukesh will handle the part of timer and evaluator both all together. Then Chetan will be a topic master and Vinay will be the grammarian for this session. So what we think today's topic is what we think being as an Indian. So we'll have to like give our views about being as an Indian. What do you think as an Indian? So this is the topic for today. So membership details, as SIS is a non-profitable online education platform. You will have to register with your membership fees and all, which I haven't, I think, paid. I just came across this thing. You will have to renew yourself every quarter without any delay. So it's not a fix, it's just to make sure that everyone is getting, that you are not getting anything for fee and not investing any good amount of money, which not only maintains your self-respect but also it's in a pocket friendly. Such things is in a practical and positive manner. So this is all we have for the SIS, and so today we are 5 members, I think, in present for the meeting. I'm not wrong, Mukesh, Chetan, Vinay, Vivekanand, and Manish. So yeah, that's all from my side. So who gonna start with their freestyle conversation for today?
Thank you, Manish. I think why you don't share few ideas or your view about this theme. If you start
Yeah,
one of, I mean, us, we can also nominate. We can also.
yeah, you are right. So being as an Indian, what I think about this particular topic, why I have chosen this topic first of all is because like everyone else, there is a deep inside feeling in everyone's heart that they want to be do something for their country, whether it is in term of like any social duty, any soldier duty, you can say, any defensive kind of thing, or whatever, in whatever manner. But there is a I don't know about others, but deep inside somewhere in my heart, I always like recommend this thing that I someday, sometime, whenever I will get time, I will have something for the nation. Even if I get a chance to like some Indian Army kind of a thing, then I will definitely gonna help in that way or gonna contribute in that way. So that's why I've chosen this particular topic, and I think everyone have their views easy. Everyone can get their views easily over this topic. So I have chosen this topic. So and then there are lots of things which we can discuss about, whether it's about nation building, whether it's about its GDP, whether it's about its culture, language, diversity. There are lots of things which we can discuss about India and why we should be proud being as an Indian. And I seriously mean these words. Being an Indian, what I can do for my India in a better way, for a betterment. So this is from my side. I also want to know your views about this particular topic of the day. So I welcome everyone on behalf of SIS for today's topic.
Yeah, so who is going to be the next? I mean, we are free for 15 to 20 minutes as we have already gone through 2 minutes. Vivekanand, you're looking like I forgot the name, the actor. Race.
Actor.
Ajay Devgan.
No, little bit Ajay Devgan, but moreover you're looking like Saif Ali Khan.
Oh, Sapling, that's good.
Your
And
Mustang and I mean
Good compliment.
yes, good combination of your Mustang and Google specs.
somebody was saying Pankaj Tripathi.
Maybe with different angle.
Anyways, but the topic is brilliant. What do you feel being an Indian? So the first feeling which comes is pride. I am really, really very proud that I born in this part of the planet, which is India. And I'm not just saying it because being an Indian, we are supposed to feel proud of our country. If anybody knows about history, then definitely, and he will feel good about its country, particularly India. And before going back to history and glorifying the past and everything, I would like to say even today, uh, if we think about the spiritual capital of the world, it is India. Nobody, I mean, no doubt, this yoga thing has been popularized and sold to all over world, and everybody is doing yoga. But nowadays, what they are doing in the name of yoga is just gymnastic, doing different poses, and they are thinking that's yoga, but that's not yoga. The pure and unadulterated form of yoga is present in India, and we are really lucky to be on the spiritual capital of the world. This is the place where it is started, where it continued for centuries and centuries, and it is still going strong. So that is the first thing. And apart from that, if we look about history, we have a history of like documented history of 7,000 plus years old. Like it has been found that Lord Krishna, which we today considered as Lord Krishna, uh, although I have a different personal opinion on that, but I will not get into that. But yeah, it is found that that individual was present on this planet for like around 5,000 years ago. So most of the religion, even the civilization, the modern civilization, which started 2,000 years back, but in India, we already, precisely not India, the concept of India came in last like 250 or 300 years back. But prior to that, it was Bharat. So the concept, this Bharat, history of Bharat is more than like 5,000 to 7,000 years old, documented. And God knows how old the Vedas are, but it is already known that Vedas are the oldest written book on this planet. So nobody knows who wrote it. Nobody knows why they wrote it. Yeah, actually they know why they wrote it. Initially, what happened? What I think, there are many theories around for it, but what I strongly believe is we Indians have always, not Indians, we Bharatiya had always given importance to sharing the knowledge, documenting it, and letting the next generation use it. So in that context, whatever they learned in the initial of the in the initial time of the civilization, when they learned how to grow farming, how to do farming, how to do uh, economics, how to do business, how to do so on and so forth. So what they did, they documented everything in the form of the language which was available at that time. At that time, it was Sanskrit. So they documented everything, which took the form of Veds. So Vedas are basically the documented the combined knowledge of the entire community, the Bharatiya community, and no single person took the credit of it. It was contributed by the entire community, because who, if you will go through the Vedas, you will find that there is no single individual whose name is documented in it. So, but yeah, still it is the oldest document. So the community, the feeling of being in a community, that is something which has been with us for a very long time. Although for last 500 to 700 years, it's lost. But I believe no matter how dark the night is, the sun will definitely come up. So we Bhartiya will definitely glorify our past and understand it, and will put India again in the world map. So there are many more things which I can add, but right now I will ask other people to join in and say what are their opinion on it.
Yes, I want to say something about it. And yes, Vivekanand, very good amount of, I mean, very good thoughts, good things shared by you. As yes, India very good spiritual things, and there are so many things as you discuss about you, Vedas, and first of all, I'm very proud to be an Indian, as India is a country which we call golden bird, right? And it is also a golden bird for all the world, entire world. And India is a country which is also the country where we have good leaders, and where the scientists they are good with good research and the missiles. We have good. I mean, if you know about, I mean, everyone is aware of APJ Abdul Kalam, and as he is known for good research, and in all over the world. And yes, I must say, India is a country where we are free to celebrate our. I mean, we are free to go anywhere without any restriction, and we are free to celebrate our festivals. We are free to celebrate even others' festival. There is no foundation. It's depending on your thought. And yes, there are a few things who, I mean, who creates difficulty in India's progress. Like, there are few culprits, I will say. I'm also going to add such examples. So there are few culprits who used to ruin the image of India, and who could be anyone, who could be any one of us, who misuses the freedoms, terrorism, you can say one, or cyber crime. You can say there are multiple cyber crimes are going on. Even in lockdown, it started increased very widely, and it is increasing day by day. I have seen many examples, receiving calls from someone, and he is asking about, you won the lottery for 5 crore, right? And I know we all are enough mature enough, and we know these are fake calls, and they used to. So there are many talented peoples in India, but they're using their talents in very negative way. But they don't have choice, because I'll not talk about anything so in social way, but yes, they don't have choice because they did not got opportunity, but still they can think about it. Whosoever is doing that kind of activities, cyber crime and all, disrespecting someone who is coming from outside from the country. Even India is the country which product is being sold. I mean, sold in other countries also. Earlier, we don't have such kind of products, or you can say in image also it has changed from earlier. Now India is also a powerful country because of having atom and missiles, and we have already I think watched the movie Pokhran. I don't remember the exact name. It was related to some research about the atom. So yes, we have power, we have talent in India, we have lot of opportunities in India. Even many outsiders, they come from outside to research in India how they can implement that kind of same things in their countries. But yet there are few things. There are few rumors, you can say, or there are few culprits. Again, I will use. They are ruining the image of India. Not only out of country, within India, they are doing it. They are doing crimes with each other. I remember I got a call from a person. He's He called me from UP somewhere. He was from UP West. From his language, when he called me, I got to know he's not calling from a particular channel partner or KBC, because he was not, because I have also worked in customer care. Even in Hindi customer care, you will have to be polite and professional. And in nowadays, it is more, right? And I was working 7-8 year before, I think 10 year before in customer care. So I think now it is more professional, because nowadays we are getting good professional services by paying less. So we are able to understand, yes, this is a fake call, but there are many people who don't know about it, who just receive the calls, and first they get shocked. Oh my god, I won 5 crore rupees. Why I was highlighting this situation, because I have seen 5 examples, and out of 5, 2 of my colleagues, you can say, or friend or relative, they lost their money. And out of 5, in 3 situations I was involved, so that's why I saved their money. And the 2 people to whom I'm doing example, their money got wasted because they got shocked, and they believed it. Yes, it is coming to me. I'm getting 5 crore rupees after paying few amount of money for, I think it was for registration. They used to say that actually we need to submit it at the airport. Then only you will, then only we will be able to release from the airport, and we can come to your place and we can pay the money. And now we are in the world where new ideas are coming in crime in India. Why I'm highlighting this? Because it is happening more nowadays after lockdown. There are many people who are jobless. They have talent, so they don't have choice. They are misusing it. So that's why after many people left their job or they got fired from the organization, then I thought, why I should not start that kind of a thing, where if there are willingness in a person, they can join it even for free of cost. But still I can see we want everything, but we don't want to put our effort as per that, I mean, choice or desire where we want to be. For example, for instance, what kind of mobile we are using nowadays. Everyone has 4G mobile in India. So this is also one of the good example in India, that we have greatest technologies. We have 5G now, and we have, now you can see electricity is everywhere, even in hometowns. When I was Vivekanand, you are from also, I think, UP or Bihar, right? I don't exactly remember. So, and earlier it could be any hometown, any state. So earlier we don't have electricity in our hometowns or in our states, but now you can see electricity is everywhere, Wi-Fi is everywhere, internet is everywhere. There are some differences between state to state, but yes, all of the facilities are everywhere. Cab facilities are everywhere. So yes, we are growing day by day, but we are also growing in criminal ways also. So my request, if any of your friend who is jobless, try to help them if you trust on him, if you have trust on him, because if the person, they don't have any opportunity, they will do these kinds of, or there are many people who do these activities for their interest, because now after doing 2 or 3 times they don't more money, so it creates their interest more and more to do these criminal and offensive activities. So definitely I'm not saying that I'm a good person who used to do these things only, but yes, I will suggest each one of you and your friends that please help your friends if you're able to help. There might be situations you're not able to help because of your situation is not perfect, or maybe you're that kind of a person who has a big responsibility of entire family. But yes, I try to help few of my friends. Even I have a big family, not a big family, a small family. Sorry, not a big family. I have two kids and mom and dad and wife. But still, I try to help servants who used to work in factories, and I also try to provide them food many times, not every time because I'm also restricted to financially things and money. So in India, yes, there are many people they are doing it. I think I'm speaking a lot about it. Let me see what is the timing.
No worries, no worries, no worries, no worries. You can go.
Okay. Actually, I was going in emotion while I was saying about India. Okay,
Yes,
so that's
we
all from me.
understand.
I think we have 5 minutes more. Anyone else who can share? You could have stopped me if I was speaking more and more. I forgot that we are in freestyle conversation.
No, it was good actually. If you are in something, if you are telling something which actually related to you have experienced yourself. So that's a good example. People feel more connected to it. So I really admired your story, and I really admired that thing. So now we have Vinay and Chetan for freestyle talking. So anyone can like hi Chetan and Vinay. Anyone of you.
I like to talk. I like to tell about this thing. So first of all, obviously, uh, I'm very proud of to be an Indian, and India is a very good country. And according to me, India is a very richest country all over the world. Why? In terms of India is very richest in terms of its geographical area. So if we have a mountain area, we have desert area, we have seas, we have lots of greenery, forest, animals. India is very richest in terms of culture and the variety of dishes, the variety of clothes, and the language, and the living life of the people. So basically, I'm from Delhi. If I go outside the Delhi, like uh, two, 300 or 400 kilometer far away from Delhi, so the culture will get changed, the language will get changed, the living way will get changed. So this is in this terms of like culture, like geographical value area. So in this terms of India is very richest in other country. And one more thing which there are lots of things that we have. If I like to exploring India, even if anyone would like to exploring India or Indian places, so I think that they are it's not happen in one line to me. There are lots of places that we don't know yet, and in all the states. So and it is same for dishes and culture. If you want, if we start to exploring the culture, so it is not happen in a one life, according to me. So in these terms, India is very richest country. But one thing and moral value, yes, the moral value and the lesson or the good thing that or good habit that we have been learning from our childhood, it's a very what we call very good and very important for us, that we have been learning from our childhood. But the problem is, and one more thing, we all are very privileged to getting or what I call we are getting privilege from our constitution to talk about anything anyway, or for anyone. It is not happening in China. I just give you one example. Like if you write or making video or talk something about your politician or anything on media, it's not happen in China. The same way, if you break the traffic rule, it's not you can break the traffic rule in India easily, but it's not happen in Dubai. You can steal one or uh, like a gold or money. You can easily steal and lots of things in India, but it is not happen in Saudi Arab. So this is the privilege, I guess, we have in India. But the problem is when I'm thinking about the moral value and the good habits that we have been learning, or we uh, have been going with, like respect others, and respect your parents, and don't say lie, and don't steal, or don't don't steal or don't do anything in a negative. But we forget lots of things, and even we don't implement in our life. First, for example, we we have been learn, like always respect your parents, always taking care of your parents. If we implement this thing in our life, so I don't think so we don't have a old ages home in India. As like that, always we have been learning, like always respect to females. But it's if we if we implement this thing, it though, so there we don't know, we don't see about any rape cases or anything uh, which is jury cases, or anything which criminal activity happened against the woman. So the we have lots of rule and regulation, or we have lots of moral values. We carry ourselves along with it, but we don't implement it. So this is the negative thing according with the Indian. So India is a very richest and very good country, but the problem is with the Indian, who cannot what we call, who cannot value, who don't value how to be an Indian. And if we look at the corruption happen around us, there are lots of corruption which is not impact to uh, like any Indian people. Even its impact to natural uh, what we call geographical or natural climate or natural area of India. So according to me, everything is going good. India is a very good, but yes, when I'm thinking these negative point, I'm very worried about the future of India. So we have to take, do something, or like to be India, be a India in future. So that's it from me.
So it was a great speech from you. It was a great views you have given us. So we really appreciate your thoughts seriously, and you have. I can see that you have lots of things to say. So, but there is a time limit, so you have to end your conversation in between. Kind of a thing happened to you. So it's now Vinay. So Vinay, you can
Guys,
start.
you all, I think you all already covered all the topics. So what I heard about it, it was really very great. So I think we should move on to next topic or next activity now. So I think we have already spent over time. So
Yes, yes, but we have
Yeah.
time today. If you want to share something.
yeah, what I heard about starting from money. So he talked about the force and about our powers and all and everything. So it was really great to know about everything. And when Vivekananda has described so many things that we are the spiritual father of every country. So it is really very true thing that we are very insane, and we are learning to making other yoga and everything, spirituality and everything. So what I heard about from Mukesh, he describes so many things that he talked about that our intelligence, our talent, and everything. Uh, Along with it, he also describes some crime and everything, which is I can understand this is correlated to our population, because we are very high in population. So we have a, I mean we are the second most populated company, sorry, country. And now moving on to the Chetan. Chetan has described so many things that we have lots of place to wander in India. So we no need to worry about to wander other countries. So there is so many lots of things that we can wonder in India. So it's really wonderful to know about everything. So I don't have anything to say about. You already covered everything. So I just make that on through. Yeah. So we can move on to the next.
You summarized in a very good way, so we really appreciate that
Ah,
part.
in a very short way, I can say.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what we have for next?
Okay, over to Manish.
Yes.
So now we can like start our uh, again our session with the things like the topic which we can have like who is gonna give us the topic. Vivekanand, no sorry, it's yes, Vivekanand will give us the topics for the prepared speeches, if I'm not wrong. Yes, or if
Sorry
I'm
to
forgetting
give.
something
No, no,
in between.
no worries.
Sorry.
We are here, don't worry. So now our next activity is prepared speech. So Vivekanand will be giving his first speech, although he's already, I mean, he's always a champ. So definitely I'm
Yes.
expecting more from Vivekanand, as we always get very good thoughts from Vivekanand.
So today is the day when the expectation will be crushed.
Yes.
No worries, no worries.
Let's give a big round of applause for Vivekanand as he's going to give a, I mean, icebreaker. Although he's already broke ice many times.
Yeah, that kind of already happened, but and the prepared speech, honestly, I did not get the time because the topic came a bit late. So, however, the topic is very interesting, so I can speak about it on any day at any time. I mean, I really, really, really love my country, and I'm proud of my country. So, I would like to again say more about my country itself, what I feel about being an Indian. So initially, what I started, I already shared my opinion with all of you. Now, getting back to all of your opinions and adding to that, when Mukesh was saying something about the from northeastern part of India, not precisely the Seven Sisters, uh, the Uttaranchal areas, which we the Hindi subbelt, which we called as Uttar Pradesh and Bihar and Jharkhand. So yes, there are people over there who are getting giving calls to all over India and informing them that you have won something good or something. Now you have to give us money. So there is a web series as well, which is based on this event, which is known as Jamtara. So Jamtara is really a place in Jharkhand, and that guys used to live there and do all the scam from there. But adding to that, I'm really glad that Mukesh mentioned that he is helping poor and the needy, and moreover, he's asking all of us to do the same, which is correct. However, the point which I would like to highlight here is that apart from that, our young generation, the young talented talents, are doing way way better than this. But what is happening is media and television personalities and news channels, and to much extent these Netflix series channels, these all are promoting these type of people who are doing this mischievous things. So their percentage is less, let's say 1% or 2%, but considering the big amount of population we have, this 2% is also a very big number. But yes, having said that, I will again like to add there are many peoples, many young generation who are doing so many good things in their respective fields, whether in the field of technology, entrepreneurship, whether in the creating new arena for development, looking for ecology and teaching young children's slum based children's, giving job to other people. So yeah, they are doing a lot, but the problem is we are getting stuck to the one side of the coin, which is there are corrupt people and misguided youth who are creating trouble for all of us. So yeah, we should never have lose faith in our generation and our people. yes, they will do great and they can do great. But having said that, we cannot ignore these people, this misguided youth. And adding to Mukesh's point, yes, we should try to help them and bring them in the right path as much as possible. Now, as Chetan was also mentioning about, he said that he is worried about India, the future of India. So, from my personal opinion, I would like to assure him that don't worry, India is in safe hands. And yes, we are definitely gonna rock. So, sooner or later, because what we what what is the reason why we are getting these fears inside us that India, there's no future. I have often come across people saying in their language that this desh ka kuch nahi ho sakta, India is gutter, India is bad, Indian politics sucks. But perhaps I think they are less, first thing they are less informed, and second they are not aware about the Indian history. When they say politics is bad, perhaps they don't know about Chanakya. So politics is not bad, it's how you perceive it. And the people who are behind it, behind the curtains, what they do, how they do, we are only the one who see one side of the story. But the people who are doing it at the highest point, they know everything and they are doing what is good for each 1.5 million, 1.3 million people. So I think it's a very unresponsible statement when we see India is bad and politics is bad, the cultural clash is bad. We should be proud of our diversity, but on the contrary, we are fighting. Well, the fighting is going on since long back. As I told you before, we have a history of around 7,000 plus years. So it's and very less of little of that part is documented. So I won't blame anyone for that, because when we as a children, when we grow up in this 21st century, what is taught to us is a history which stretches back to 300 to 400 years back. But we, as I will again emphasize, we have a history of 7,000 plus years. So we have to look for that. And when we talk about development, we only talk about the physical aspect of development. We need electricity, we need education, we need mobile phone, we need computer, we need health, we need blah blah blah. But again, we are spiritual guru, and when we say spiritual, we Indians, we Bharatiya have learned something, that there is something which is more beyond this body and beyond this mind and beyond this materialistic pleasure. So we have to look for that. We have to try to find it. And as the science has already proved that what we see in the universe is only 0.1% of what we know. So universe is very big. So let's not get into this and just think that universe, this there are so many galaxies. Milky Way is just one of the galaxies, and out of this big Milky Way galaxy there are many solar systems, and ours is only one solar system out of many. And inside this solar system there are 8 to 9 planets, and ours is only one planet. So we are very small speck of dust in the biggest plan of events. So let's not get ahead of ourselves and try to get back to history, because that's where everything lies. We should get back to history and learn about history, and uh, feel proud of ourselves and our history, and learn it. Educate yourself, because the one thing which I see my generation is missing is education. They are not educated about or they think the way they are taught to think. They don't think out of box, they don't think differently, they don't debate on topics, healthy debate, they don't do that. They just think what they are supposed to think, they just do what they are supposed to do. Well, constitution is made by people. We should follow constitution, because there is a lot of thought and education is time and devoted to that. However, we should think that we must understand that constitution is subject to change. So when we as a society, when we will evolve, we can definitely give direction to constitution. And yes, again, we are the biggest democracy in the world. We might slow down, we might not work or grow economically as like China or Saudi Arabia or United States, But yes, we are doing good, and we are doing way better than rest of the. So that's all. Feel proud, guys.
Yes, we feel
Proud to be
proud of that.
Indian. Yes.
Yes.
So it
Yes.
was a wonderful speech again from you, Vivekanand. You always look, you have always an exception in our group for with your thoughts, even with your even skills. So we admire your both of the things. Thank you very much.
Actually, you inspired Sunny Deol inside me.
Who? You are talking about
Vivekanand.
me. Acha, Vivekanand. Sorry. Yes.
I'm proud to be an Indian.
I'm
Yes,
proud
we
to
are
be
proud to
Indian.
be an Indian.
Okay, over to Manish.
So now, if you can carry forward this session a bit, because I'm not aware, like, what
Okay, so
I need,
next,
like I need assistance from your side. So
yes,
that's what I'm
definitely.
asking
So
for.
that's why we all are here. So next we have table topics, topic master Chetan. So he will be, I think, again, I asked him to nominate for, I mean, different role, but he asked that let me try last time for next, for this week, and from next week he will be taking care of different role. So okay, Chetan, over to you. And now I am expecting more killer topics from you.
I hope so, Mukesh. Okay, so who will go first? I have some topic to distribute amongst of us. So who will go first?
Uh, okay, I will go first. Your voice is low little bit. Okay, Vinay is coming back within I think 1 or 2. Okay, so we are already continuing. Chetan, I'm going first.
Okay, Mukesh, your topic is the importance of attachment.
Sorry, importance of
Attachment.
attach
Attachment.
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 It's
Importance
not
of,
like a PDF attachment. It's
no,
a
I got it. Emotional
an
attachment you're talking about, right?
Yes.
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 Importance of attachment. Okay, I will utilize 30 seconds, not 30 seconds, few seconds, and my time starts now. Okay, importance of attachment, which this is the topic which is given by Chetan. So yes, this is very necessary emotional thing. I must say, because if you're not attached emotionally for anything, any good thing, definitely it will not motivate you to that level which you want to achieve. uh, so there are many scenarios, many situations we get attached emotionally. It could be a good relation, healthy relation from any of our friend group or any single friend. It could be any of your loving things. It could be your bike. It could be any of your good habit which you are not able to deliberate it day by day because of your busy schedule. For me, I am very emotionally attached to Bullet, which I don't have right now. It's my dream, although it's not a big dream. I can buy it today, but there are few other reasons I'm not buying it. I have already a bike. I'm planning for house. It could be your habit, as I told. So yes, I'm very much interested in doing exercise. Yeah, I have already started it again from last week. As I said last meeting. So whenever I don't do exercise, it ruins my dieting, I mean all of my diet, because I used to start everything. I used to start eat everything. It could be any oily, spicy foods, but whenever I do exercise, I feels very active. I feels very punctual for my daily routine. I wakes up early in the morning, and so yes, I'm very attached to my workout habit. I'm very attached to my one of other dream, which is Bullet. And yes, I'm planning to buy a house. So let's see when it happens. So these are my emotionally attachment things or stuffs, you can see. You can say. So that's all from me. I think I have utilized 2 minutes 15 seconds.
Yes, you
Yeah,
are right.
that's all from me.
Thank you, Mukesh.
What would be
now
the
who
next
will go
one?
next?
I'm the next one. I'm ready.
Okay, Manish, your topic is uh, your lockdown pastime.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry,
So
Chetan, I did not hear it.
Your lockdown pastime.
Okay, good topic.
give me some seconds to think about the things. Okay, so I'm starting with the topic which Chetan has given to me. The favorite pastime in lockdown, if I'm not wrong, right? This is the same topic you have given me.
Yes.
Okay, so look, guys, the topic which you have given me is very practical, so I can easily speak. Well, not easily, but I can give my uh, thoughts and my views easily because right now we all are living in that era where we are in the topic which you have given me. So I'm very first of all, let you tell me about my habits or my things, how I deal with the day-to-day life. So I'm a bit lazy kind of a person. So usually the favorite thing which I have completed or which I have done in this lockdown is sleeping. So I have slept a lot. I have done. Sleeping is the best thing which I always looks for. Yeah, whenever I will get time, I will go for the sleep. I will go for the. Even if I'm not sleeping, I want to be lay down the bed and just resting on that place and like everyone else, I keep on searching different things over the Google, over the these social networking sites. So I keep on checking the videos and all things. Apart from that, I love to play cricket, but you can't play cricket outside because it's an outside. It's a game where you can go. You have to play it outside, so I can't play cricket. But yes, back in Himachal, as I told you in last session, also I was in Himachal from last around 1 year. Most of the time I have spent there only. I'm spending there only. I came back to Noida last week just for a 2 week. Going back to Himachal again next week. So there there I was spend my life playing this hobby. My hobby is like playing cricket. So I done this activity over there. I have fulfilled uh, my childhood, you can say childhood activity or childhood dream, you can say. I want to relive my childhood activity again. So that's the best way I can say that I have spent my things. So yes, that's all from my side over this topic. Thank you.
Thank you, Manish. What your thought and whatever you have done in your lockdown.
Thank you.
So I think Vivekanand should go and choose the topic.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, your topic is which actress you would like to go on date and what would be your plan?
On a date with an
Yes.
actress.
Yes.
Wow, great.
You should have asked such topics to everyone.
Yes, yes.
But I'm not sure about the date part. Can you repeat the topic?
Sure. Which Bollywood actress you would like to go on date?
And what do you mean when you say date? What are the options? What are the boundaries?
Like
Do's and
normal.
don't.
Date is a foreign concept. I don't agree with it. So
Yes, Chetan, please
हमारे
explain what could be the boundaries. I mean, is it a date, sitting
Yeah.
on a dinner, spending
Date
few?
as a gentleman.
as a gentleman.
No? And it's up to you because it is
Okay.
your date. You have to plan.
Okay. Let me think. I think today I will use my 30 seconds, maybe 35 seconds.
Yes, yes, we have less participants, so you can take more time.
So, actress, Hollywood actress. Ready. So
Okay.
the topic, the brilliant topic, which is like which Bollywood actress you would like to date and what you will do. So I think the only actress which I can think of right now, for which I had a crush for a very long time, but that was Aishwarya Rai, even before she was Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. So I have found that she is definitely very beautiful, her beautiful eyes. And there is one incident which I would like to share with her on the date. That because of her, I was beaten up by a guy in class ninth. So what happened? We used to keep there was some incident, and I used to have her pick on my copy in my copy notebook. So somehow it fell down in my class, and then I realized that there is another guy who is also a fan of Aishwarya Rai. So he picked it up. So I went up to him and asked, "What is this is my photo, just give it back to me." And instead of giving back the photo, he gave me 2 and 3 blows. So he was like giving me like this, and I was taking it like this. So that is all I can remember. And when I was in class 12th and preparing for my board exams, that was the year when she got married. So, resulting which I topped my school. So, yes, heartbreak does have its important role in your school result. And apart from that, when I would be on the date with her, I would definitely like to. Uh, can I take one more person with date? Maybe
Yes,
her
you can.
competitor. Yeah, maybe a competitor.
There are no limit
Sushmita.
for you. There are no
Yeah, thank you,
limit for
thank
you.
you. All right, thank you. Shushmita Sen, I have really admired that lady for her courage and confidence. She, so Aishwarya Rai is beautiful and confident. Sushmita Sen is something which I would like to talk about. Her motivation and inspiration, why she adopted 2 kids. So that is really a great thing, and she was this first lady in this modeling industry where somebody initially took charge of her life and did some philanthropy work by adopting some children. So that was a really great job. And Aishwarya Rai, she donated her eyes. So I remember a fact that after becoming Miss Universe, she went on television promoting this eye donation campaign. And after her joining this campaign, there was like the number of people who started donating their eyes or filling up the request to donate their eyes, that increased by around 300 to 400%. So that was again a good move. And the third lady which I would like to take on a date is that Himachal girl, Kangna Ranaut. I would really like to know, like, how is she dealing with her 3 on 4 national awards, and what is the process which she is doing as an actor. Like in every role, she is doing something different from her previous role, and how she gets into that role and sinks into it. So that is something which I would like to know. And the fourth one, but not the last one, is Deepika Padukone. I would really like to play one-on-one badminton with her. So date will turn out into a match event, and most likely, I think she's the girl I will like spend 2 to 10 minutes or maybe 15 minutes just staring at her dimples. She has got very good dimples. So yeah, and after that, followed by one-on-one badminton match, followed by one dinner. That's it. I think time's up. Time is up, or else I can go for a couple of more dinners. Thank you.
Actually, I
Now I
gave
am
you more
thinking
time.
Lux. Actually, Vivekanand, now I am thinking Lux side where Shah Rukh Khan with 4 or 5 actresses like.
Yeah, in the bathtub, right, right.
Yes.
One in motion, one in hand, right?
Now we left Vinay. Vinay, are you there?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So your topic is, and this topic I guess it's suit to you. So this topic, the topic is one mistake that you did in your childhood, which your parents don't know.
This my parents don't know. Let me think about it.
Now I got to know why Chetan nominated again for Topic Master.
Ah,
I think
topic master.
he
Right.
prepared it last week. I think.
There is so many things that I am just counting that what I have to choose.
In your childhood,
Yeah, you added childhood also. Okay. Actually, can I change the? Can we change the topic if any other topic you have? Because I really don't remember that my childhood things that I
Actually,
done so
Vinay
many
is
things.
very sent type of guy. He has done no mistakes, and even if he
No,
has,
no.
he is not gonna tell it.
I done so many. That is why I'm confused about everything. That what I have to choose that time. So
So
any
there
other
is
topic do you have?
maybe Vinay
Really?
don't want share.
I think he has done some
Uh,
kind of.
yeah, it's not too big mistakes, so it's kind of little bit mistakes. Sometimes I tell lie to my parent and everything about. So I mean, I make bunk from school type of thing. So I have done it. So can you are giving to another topic to me
Okay,
about?
okay,
I
okay.
will
I
go
choose
with
the
this
topic.
topic.
I okay. I choose the topic. So your new topic is what you want to learn in your interest,
What you want to learn
part of professional knowledge,
apart from professional?
like your hobby from your hobbies and something
Yeah,
that you
got you,
want to
got you.
learn, like
Like
football
guitar
or
playing,
anything.
right?
Yeah. Okay, I'm starting. So it's comes from my interest, but I really would say that I am not capable to do. I wanna be a actor. So this is really I'm not able to do. You can understand why I'm saying this. So this is only my interest. So I want to be a actor and I want to be a uh, learn acting, how to do that acting because I am not so much uh, friendly with camera, so that's why I'm not very comfortable to do acting, but I really want to be an actor. So this is my really big interest. So I got some chance also for that this type of interest, but this is I'm thinking about it. So I have to do so many work to learn acting type things. So this is my interest, and I think everyone should have that type of interest that everybody want to be a actor or something else because there is so much stardom and so much publicity and all everything. So that is something in my interest. Again, the second, so many interest is here. I also want to learn swimming. I also want to learn some taekwondo and type of fight. And so, if we talk about, there is so many interest everybody have. So, but one of them, acting is a big interest. So I think it's enough for me right now, and I'm done with my topic. Thank you.
Okay, Vinay, thank you.
Yes.
Okay, Mukesh, you were saying something.
Yes, I was saying that the topic which you shared earlier, I will go with this.
Okay, sure.
great.
Yes. Let
And
me
there are
start
lots
my
of
time.
mistakes that you did. I think so.
Yeah, although all have done so many mistakes, it could be any one of us. But I remember my one mistake when my father catched me and he was giving me like again and also from bat. So what was the mistake? Let me tell you. Actually, I was learning uh, it was a government school, secondary senior secondary school, and when I was in 10th class, so we used to take a lot of bunks. I mean, I was not going to school because it was a government school, and we don't have teachers in our classes. We used to play, we used to make flowers of the fans which are attached in every room. So but there was one thing which was being noticed by our main class teacher, because we were having one class teacher and different subject teachers. The class teacher who used to take attendance on daily basis, okay, and if a person who is not joining class, either if there is I mean periods are going or not, but yes, you will have to be in the school to show your attendance, 100% attendance. What we used to do, not only me, many of my friends, we bunked our classes, and at the end of the month we were getting a note. I mean, it was a kind of form where we need to fill reason for all the absence, and 1 rupees for per day. So yes, at that time also 1 rupees was not a difficult thing, because I was also giving classes for primary students, to primary students, and easily I was able to pay 15 or 20 rupees monthly. So I used to sign my father's sign. I copied my father's sign, okay, and I used to sign it and submit it. So once a day, while my mother was washing our dress, I mean school uniform, she found that form. It was signed, but it was not submitted, and she was unable to understand what kind of form is this. So she showed it to my father. When he saw that form, then he called me and said, "What is this?" And he said, "This way you can." I don't know exact word what we say. You can ruin all the property. You can, what we say. So that was my memorable day, you can say. He beaten me a lot. Even my mom, "What are you doing? You're learning this thing in your school." And I was trying to explain why I am doing this, but they did not listen me. They just given me a lot of gifts, mom and dad. And after that day, I did not missed any of class. Either study was going or not, I was sitting in the class, I was reading my books, and also doing some khurapati and naughty things with my friends. So that's all from me. I think I took 3 minutes.
But it was a
Thank you.
wonderful experience you have shared with us.
Thank you, Mukesh.
I think
But what I am thinking, actually, one topic, I just changed this topic. If you want to say something, so please go ahead, Vinay and Mukesh. So, earlier I asked you one mistake that you did in your childhood, which your parents don't know. So now, one mistake that you did, which your wife don't know. If you want to say,
Now it's
I think-
complicated.
No problem.
Getting
I think we are
complicated.
limited to that.
Yes.
okay,
We
no
can
problem. Move on.
talk about it in our, once we will be meeting, then we can talk, because
By face to face.
yeah,
Very scary, huh?
Because
No problem.
if we start say something, so
Even
wife,
Mukesh is on like mic, so might be your voice
No,
is
no.
coming. Is everywhere in
No
his house.
problem.
no, I am
It's
in a
both of-
separate room, but
It's up
I
to you. If
record
you want to say something,
these
it's okay.
sessions.
Otherwise, no problem. We can
All
understand your situation.
Yes, you should. So
Okay, so my topic, one topic left that is for me.
I
That
think
is
Vivekanand-
the best app on my phone.
oh,
So according to
On my
me,
phone.
according to me, the best app on my phone, that is YouTube, because when I feel I'm getting bored, so I open YouTube and see some comic video. And when I need to learn something about technology or a new whatever which is related my work, so I go through the YouTube and look at and check out the video that are available over there, which is related about my work or something which I want to learn. And if I feel some spiritual, so I just look at the some spiritual word and gaining a knowledge about that. And so if I know something, so I try to find out related video on YouTube. So according to me, as of now, this is very best. This is the best application that I have in my phone, and I can and I use according to my as per my requirement, and I try. I can spend time, uh, and I. It's a good one for me. That's it. That's it for me.
That's great. So I think Chetan, do we have more topics or we are done? I think we are
We are
going
done.
good with our time. Okay. Anyone else want to share something, or I think we are now at the end of the meeting, so we can share our reports.
Yes, I think we should like distribute it. Like we have to give evaluation part, and whatever you have as a grammarian, as a evaluator, we should evaluate the things, because it's already, I think, around 4:30. So I think it's perfect timing.
Yes, as I was, playing the role of evaluator as well as the timer, so I will give feedback in for both together. Yes, as we have less participants today, but even after we had a good session, good meeting today, and the theme was very good, which was chosen by Manish. Uh, what do you think to be an Indian? And there are a lot of things which I was not aware of, although I have already learned about history, but I don't remember so many things. But Vivekanand gives very good thoughts and ideas and knowledge. There are so many good things in India. We need to think about that, and definitely we are rocking, and we will rock. We are still rocking in so many things. There are so many countries who are trying to copy culture and talent and research a lot of things from India also. There are people who helping them in the manner of research, development, science. Even nowadays, I can see medicines are going outside country from India. So this is a good and proudful thing for us. In that conversation, I was talked a lot about the culprit things, but I think that was inappropriate. I should talk about the positive things, because which motivates us a lot. If we talk about, because we know criminal thing is crime is everywhere. It could be any country, even in US, in Japan, they have crimes. They have some boundaries also, and good thought shared by Chetan also about the geographical things. And so overall we had a good discussion in freestyle conversation, and we timely managed it. And Manish, yes, within, as it's 5 to 7 minutes for MOD, so you covered it timely. Although we have utilized more time in our other categories, but we have less participants, so yes, we are good with that. And next, if I move to, okay, prepared speech for Vivekanand. Yes, again, Vivekanand, if you please tell me, it was your first prepared speech or second? I forgot.
First prepared speech.
Yes, yes. So,
First.
we were expecting something about your personal life. Okay, because it is not necessary, although you can in your next topic you can mention about, because this is the first icebreaker topic where, although you are very good with your grammar, with your knowledge, and with historical things, you know how to present in front of everyone. I mean, you have very good kind of skills, but I was expecting, not me, I think everyone, we were expecting something little bit personal about you. It's not that kind of personal which you cannot share, just as we are in a good friend zone now it is a professional zone, and we will also be meeting personally, physically, in some cafes or in some restaurants. While everything will be settled down, we'll be also doing sessions once in a quarter in any restaurant or in a cafe. So then also you can get disturbed. So no issues with that. But that
And
is
we know about CTET.
that was just I mean a feedback that if you could have little bit brief about yourself, that as we all know, you are Vivekanand, you are a champ, and you already contributed so many times in a very positive way. You have taught us so many things in a good way. Even in last session, I played a role of grammarian. I was following you actually, and I tried to give good feedback for everyone. For me also, later when I watched video, I tried so many mistakes in my role, my speech. I'm trying to implement them right now, and now I'm going to topic master Chetan. Again, there was, I mean, we have very killer topics again today, provided by Chetan. And Chetan, but from next, I will request you to please nominate yourself for something else. It is not, I mean, necessary. Then you can nominate for something else. It's your wish. But if you are changing your rules, you are learning each and everything. For example, Manish is playing the role of MOD, Vivekanand, Manish. So we have already participated for that role. Because there was a time when I was presenting
Agree.
something in front of when I was working with Gap Fashion before Bank of America. I was introduced to present a PPT in front of everyone. On that day, I took I gave excuse to be on leave because I was very scared. However, I'm not very perfect right now, but I'm little bit very confident. So now what is missing in my speech and in my style, that is I think vocabulary and grammar, which is I'm trying to avoid these mistakes and trying to learn good things. So that's why we are doing it. And yes, for table topic, good topics were shared by you. Everyone participated and shared good thoughts. As if you talk about date from any of your favorite actors, then we can shared, yes, if I could have two actresses in I mean once I get this chance. So we got to know your favorite actress. Yes, and she's also my favorite, and both are I think Miss World, right? Aishwarya Rai and Sushmita Sen. And yes, she adopted two child even after being a model. So this is a good thought, a good motivation, we can say. And one thing I noted, even I did not note it for grammar things, but for Vinay, randomly I noted I got some chance. Instead of I got some chance, I think you can use I got few opportunities, right? Because I think some with these sentences, I don't think this is appropriate. So that's all from me. I think I utilized 4.5. Yes, within the time. So now I think we can move to grammarian. When is grammarian for the day? Mera
Yeah,
Kaushik.
sure, Mukesh. Thank you so much. So, first thing, I don't know what's wrong with my mic, so and my headphones, so I didn't get your voice. All of
Okay.
your voice are getting properly, so that is why something I miss sometimes. So, let me try to describe it. So, first I am talking about Vivekanand. So, about his first speech, what I observed, I only observed very little bit like things in character. So what he said about we have to something do. So he need to choose that time that we will have to something do. Sometimes little confused about will have or have to. So that's something I found it. And let's talk about your second topic. So I observed that sometimes you confuse in between should or must. What you have to choose that time. So sometimes you need to care about this thing only. This is very minor thing. So you are doing very great. So apart from these also, now moving on to the Manish. Uh, Actually, Manish, air voice coming from your side, so it was not very clear for me that time. So I observed so little things there that you said that I sleep so much, like so you have to choose that time that getting so much sleep type of things you can use that time. So this is something I observed that, and again come to the next Mukesh. Mukesh, sorry for that, bro. I missed your first topic, and in your second topic, you didn't do any mistake there, so I didn't find anything. You done in a very short way, so really it was no mistake there over there. So
I can't
now
believe
moving
it.
on to the Chetan. Yeah, in your second topic, it was very short, very short. So that time I didn't find anything. That's why. So now I'm talking about Chetan. Chetan, sometimes he said that I want to know something. So I think Chetan, it's only the suggestion to you that if you choose that I am very curious too, but I want to learn. So it will be give you the more attractive sentence to you. So everyone. It impacts always, because if you choose something like some vocabulary, strong vocabularies, so you can choose that I'm very curious to know about everything, but what I have to learn from YouTube and all. So this is you can replace by your I want to know something. So this is something about everything grammatical part. So sorry guys, I didn't catch everything because today I think voices are not coming properly. I only listen Vivekanand voice very clear, but sometimes it's too discrepancies there. So sorry for the grammar part, and we can move on to the next.
I think Manish, I think we all, I mean, we have covered all the things. Although
Yes.
Vinay, you could have used few more minutes, but it's okay, as you have already provided your good feedback, and you said that voice was not clear from me. I think from others also, but from Vivekanand, I mean, you're getting clear voice, right? So we will also take care of it, and I will request to please raise your hand in between, if or you can ping in the group if there is anything going in a correct way, in incorrect way, so that we will be aware of that and we can sort it out at the same time. And
Okay.
so I think we are done with all the activities.
Yes.
So
Yes.
one
I
thing
think
I want to ask with you from you guys. So for Ranjit, what should be the punishment? It should be that kind of thing. So which will be, I mean, which will educate not only him but also to us.
It should be there.
So
and also remember this thing that it's gonna be happen with you also in future. So decide accordingly.
yes, yes, I'm ready for that.
So
Good.
yeah.
So I need all of your. I mean, we are five. So what you guys says. Already we are done, but I think we can take 1 minute more. So what do you think, guys? What
Yes.
would
Yes.
be the punishment? Vivekanand, what you say? Actually, he pinged me before 15 minutes of session that I will not be able to join. And then I said, if you could have tell me before a day or in the morning, then also it was good. But
I
So
think
Vivekanand,
three
yes.
topics per session for the next three session.
Great.
okay,
Three table topics.
okay,
Okay.
yes, yes. I think that I thought you were saying three prepared speech topic. He will do like this. So all you okay, guys? With this, I mean, this idea. I think this is good idea. So Ranjit will be
Yes,
speaking.
good.
I will when I will share the recording.
I
I
think
will
the
ask him
three
to watch
prepared
it.
speeches will be the good one. I
Yes.
mean, person who really getting leaves, so they try to do not take so many leaves at that time because they have to say about three prepaid topics. It's very, I mean, I can say that it will also learning, but nobody want to be a prepared speeches for 3 week.
No, no. When he completed, I mean, Vivekanand completed, then I got to know. Yes, that could be the punishment. Yes, I think that this is possible.
But I think we can give him three different topic that belongs to different area. So that's why he needs some time to think about.
Okay.
Great.
So we can manage this way. So we have three, six, seven topics, right? So out of that, three topics will be given to Ranjit. So we will not exceed that topic to 10 topics because again it will increase our time. So today we are good with time as we started late for 5 minutes and it's 4:34. So I think in 1 hour 30 minutes we already have completed our meeting today. So which is a good thing. So that's why created each and everything for specific. I mean, so that's why I asked everyone to who's going to play the role of to this cutout circle. It costs 2 rupees only. So okay, guys. I think we are done for the day. And one more thing, Vivekanand. Sorry, we are getting. I mean, in a gap of our UiPath session. So I think what we can do as we are going, I mean, we are going at 3 p.m. We are doing this meeting. So we can start 2 to, what do you say, 2 to 3 or 1:30 to 3. I mean, I need your suggestion, your and Chetan's and Sarfraz also. I'll ask him. And on Saturday, as I was not able to start the VBA and Tableau, but from next Saturday, we will start it in the evening. So, who all are ready, okay with that? So, please. So, from Chetan and Vivekanand, please suggest your timings, which time you guys are comfortable. If you are, or you want to do it with a gap, I mean, if there should be a gap of 30 minutes or 1 hour, so we can go according to that. Because I think we are in a gap, but I know you guys are able to remember all of the things in one go because you already did it practically, right? Instead of only watching. So suggestions are required from you and anyone else from this session want to join that UiPath, but I think that will be difficult because of we have already covered so many things. But still, if anyone want to come, most welcome. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you everyone for today's session and let's bring more energy and more people, increase our team as we are 5 members today now. But let's come with our entire team next week.
Yes,
Sure.
right. So thank you everyone and bye for now, Vivek, Mukesh, Chetan and Vinay. Bye
Thank you,
bye.
Manish.
Thank you,
You did a
everyone.
very good job. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you everyone.
Bye everyone. Have a nice day.
Same to you.
Have a nice
Bye.
Bye.